In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the audit history in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to track changes made to your books, review who updated a transaction, or compare an original entry with a later edit, the audit history tool is extremely useful. It gives you a clear record of activity inside QuickBooks Online, which can help with troubleshooting, reviewing errors, and understanding exactly what changed over time. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon to open the settings menu. From the available options, select Audit Log. This will take you to the area where QuickBooks records account activity and changes made within the system. Once you're inside the audit log, you may notice that there can be a lot of information listed, especially if multiple users work in the company file, or if there has been a lot of recent activity. To make your search easier, use the filter drop-down. This is the best way to narrow down the results so you can quickly find what you're looking for. Inside the filter options, you can refine the log by user or by date. Filtering by user is helpful if you want to see actions taken by a specific person. Filtering by date is useful when you know roughly when a transaction was created or edited. Adjust the filter settings based on what you need, and then review the updated results. Next, look through the list and find the specific transaction you want to investigate. Take your time here, especially if you're reviewing several similar entries. The goal is to locate the exact record whose history you want to inspect. When you find the right transaction, move to the History column and click View. This will expand the transaction's audit details and allow you to compare the original entry with any edited versions. This comparison is one of the most valuable parts of the tool because it helps you see what was changed, rather than just telling you that a change happened. As you review the expanded history, pay close attention to the differences between versions. This can help you confirm whether an edit was intentional, spot data entry mistakes, or understand why a report looks different than expected. That's how to use the audit history in QuickBooks Online. Once you know where to find it and how to filter it, it becomes a simple but powerful way to monitor changes and keep your records accurate.